I'm not a marketer, I'm a business owner. And I'm going to show you exactly why your business isn't getting the customers it deserves. For 16 years, I've been running small businesses. And here's something most people don't realize. For most of those years, I had to figure out how to bring in customers without running ads. I had no choice. Organic content, community, word of mouth, customer relationships, the real stuff that nobody teaches because everybody just sells you ads instead. A couple of years ago, I opened a sports cards shop, brick and mortar. After about a year, I closed it because I was making double online compared to in-store. So I went all in. 2 years later, I built it to over 8,000 followers, 24,000 cards sold, and 2,000 five-star reviews. I figured out how to grow it fast. And here's when things changed. Friends and other small business owners started asking me for help. Could I make them an AI video? Could I fix their Facebook page? Could I help them grow? I started doing it for free, then for a little money, and I realized this is what I love doing. Helping other small business owners get noticed online. Most small business owners are invisible and have no idea why. Not because they're bad at business, because they're trying to do this alone. Posting blindly, hoping something works. And the agencies you could hire? Well, most are full of fancy presentations and theories. Many of them have never owned a small business like yours. They've never been the one laying awake, wondering if rent's going to get paid. I have. So I started Epic AI Media. I help small business owners get found online and turn their digital presence into something that actually brings in customers. Not by selling you a course, not by pitching you a $5,000 a month retainer. I'll do a free digital review of your online presence. Send you a video showing exactly what's costing you customers and how to fix it. No catch, no pressure. If you've ever felt invisible online, you're in the right place. Visit epicaimedia.com or click the link below.